Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. Here is Samsung A32 and today I am reviewing this Samsung phone. In the end, I will tell you about is it worth in this price range? This mobile is for gaming or not? And can you buy this in 2023 or not? So let's start the video. Samsung A32 has plastic frame and plastic back, and the front of this phone is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, which is scratchless glass. There is a USB Type-C port at the bottom with 3.5mm audio jack. There is an extra plus point, which is its in-display fingerprint. This smartphone has three color variants: sky blue, midnight black, and shiny white color. Size of this phone is 6.5 inches, so the body and build of this phone is good. If we talk about its performance, Samsung A32 comes with Helio G80 processor, which is 10 nanometer in thickness, accompanied with 6 GB RAM. This chipset provides decent results in gaming, editing, and day-to-day normal tasks, so the performance of this phone is average. The next thing which we consider while buying is camera of smartphone. Samsung A32 comes with quad rear cameras with main lens of 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultrawide, 5 megapixel macro, and 5 megapixel depth lens. There are some extra features as well, like panorama, pro version, night mode, etc. This camera supports 1080p 30fps video recording, which is unacceptable for a 64 megapixel lens. This is one of the negative points of this phone. Display of Samsung A32 is one most top-rated feature, as it comes with Samsung Dynamic AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 411 brightness nits. Its screen-to-body ratio is 84.6%, so the display of Samsung A32 is no doubt best one. Battery of Samsung A32 is 5000, which is big battery size, but the downgrade is its charging speed, which is 15 watt only. With this 15 watt charger, this phone charged from 0 to 100 in 2 hours, 20 minutes approximately. This 5000 battery gives you 6 to 7 hours screen time on social media usage. And if you are thinking of buying it for gaming, then this battery gives you 3.5 to 4 hours of continuous backup. The battery size is more than enough, but the display of Samsung A32 consumes so much battery because of its resolution. To conclude, Samsung A32 is a good device, but its price is slightly higher, which is $300, but overall the device is good. If you want to buy it for normal use, then go for it. But if you are a heavy user, then ignore this device and go for other brands like Redmi and Realme, which provides better performance in this price range. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.